Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned since we get this move, we mentioned with the breakout of the 69 and mostly with the breakout of the all-time high. We have been looking to see the breakout of the 77. As you can see, the price could break 77 and after with the breakout of the 77, this is how sharp it moved. And this is what we have been looking for. That means we have been looking for to see the breakout of the 77K. And we mentioned after, if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned with the breakout of the 77, we can look for 88. Okay. That means we want to see, this is what we have been looking for. We have been looking for to see the breakout of this zone for confirmation, for continuation, and breakout of the 100K and 100K and above. Anyway, we start with higher time frame and we want to see what we have been looking for. If we move to monthly chart, we don't see, we don't have any information. The only thing is with the breakout of this correction, if we refer to my last analysis, and with the breakout of the 80, as what I mentioned based on lower time frame, 88K, the targets we're looking for to see the breakout of the 100 and 111K. Okay, then with the breakout of this zone, then we can look for price somewhere around 180. But at this point, with the breakout of the 88K, I'm looking for to see the breakout of the 100. Okay, and as I mentioned, based on monthly chart, we see the divergence here, but at this point, we don't need to really care about the divergence. And if we move to lower time frame, which is the weekly chart, after we get this correction, we mentioned how deep it can go, and this is what we have been looking for. And the only thing is we have a divergence at this point. Okay, but based on weekly chart, but at this point, we don't need to really care about the divergence. If the price couldn't break 100, then we see the price start to consolidate here. Then we have to, if at that point we have a divergence, then we have to care. Okay, that's mean at this point we don't need to really care about the divergence. If we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, for me, I will take it. I want to see whether the price can break the 88K or not. Okay, and based on daily, the weekly, we don't see any trading setup. And if we move to daily chart, similar explanation. That means the next target I'm looking for is 88K. And if anyone wants to look for buy at this point, we have to look for trade based on lower time frame, and mostly we have to look for the flight. Okay. And even based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. For me at this point, I don't see any trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. We can, look for continuation, but how to look for the trade, this is the point. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. At this point, we can expect to see the correction similar to what we have here or here. But if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to look for like at this point, based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. And again, how to look for trade, it depends on the strategy the traders are looking for. But for me, I have been looking to see the breakout of the 77. All right, this is where we see the breakout of the 77, and this is how sharp it moved. And the next one I'm looking for to see the breakout of the 88K. This is because if the price could break this one, then we are looking for 100 and 111. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share from today. If we see the continue, I start to come up with the more updates. And even if I see any trade setup, any opportunity, then I will share. Thanks.